Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a Hungarian recipe for deer liver. Compared to most of the things that I have cooked recently, I would say this is maybe just a little bit more involved, but it's still a fairly easy recipe. You don't need to get any special ingredients, you just need some fresh herbs and that's about it. A nice beautiful piece of liver, and you could see that actually right behind me. It's so beautiful. This liver came from a buck my friend Lisa harvested in September. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. It's always good to know where your meat is coming from, right? And with wild game, you know it. You have it right in front of you. This meat is organic, nothing artificial or anything like that. At the end of the video, I'm going to tell you a very quick recipe of what you can do with some leftover liver. I won't even have to cook it. I could just explain it to you in just a minute. So make sure you stay tuned. But right now, let's get started. I think it looks great. You can also serve this on a big thick piece of toast make it nice and crunchy, and then you put the liver on it, which will be nice and soft, and then the onions and the mushroom mixture, it's going to be pretty crunchy as well. So I think the whole point is crunchy, soft, and crunchy. But I'm excited to get started on it to see how it tastes. But I wanted to tell you first this recipe that you can do with leftover liver, and it is so simple. We use it in Hungary. I believe in English it's called liver pate. In Hungarian, it's mai pastétom. I don't know if that means anything, but basically what you could do is once you cook the liver, all you have to do is heat it up, cut up some more onions, and put it in a mixer, like in a blender, and you make it into this creamy mixture, and you're going to spread it on bread and eat it like that. So if you're starting from scratch, then what you're doing is you're basically frying up some liver, some very finely chopped onion. Of course, don't forget a little bit of oil when you fry it. And then you blend it into this beautiful creamy mixture. And you could use other spices if you want, whatever you would like to go with it, but just salt and pepper is basically enough. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. I have the recipe in the description below. I always have all the recipes in all my videos underneath where you could actually read it and follow it. So let me know if you make this. You can make it with other liver, basically anything. I would say other than chicken probably wouldn't work like this, but even beef liver would work. So if you try it, let me know how it turns out and if you have changed anything. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Look at that. Perfectly cooked. That's perfect. You don't want to overcook it because then it's gonna get too tough. And also, I forgot to mention, you do need to make sure you cook this and serve it fresh. You don't want to heat it up in the microwave later because then it's going to get tough as well. If you need to add any salt, add it at the end for the liver. You don't want to fry it or bake it with salt because that will also make it tough. So liver gets the tendency to get very tough. So just wanted to put that out there.